So to punch a file on the Mazatrol, select Data I/O, select Tape. At this point, you select that you want to send from the NC to the tape. You select your workpiece number. In this case, we're going to choose 1. Press Input. And then it should show up on the left. So now when you prepare the USB, you select CNC to USB. Let it pick a file name, select Start, and now it'll be waiting here. When it's waiting here, you can come back to the Mazatrol and press the Start button. It'll turn purple, and then it should show that it went to the tape. If the unit over here did not finish, you can press Done at this time. And so now let's load it back. You're going to delete this program first. So we're going to have to delete program number 1. So we'll select 1, Input. And now we're going to load it back. Data I/O, go back to Tape. And now you want to load a file. It's going to ask for a workpiece number again. So press 1, Enter. It'll show up now on the tape side. You go ahead and press Start on the Mazak at this point. It'll be waiting. Select USB to CNC, and then the last file that we had just sent, and press Start. It'll then show up on this side when it's complete. You go back to Program, Display, oops, sorry, wrong one, Program, File, and then now Program No. 1 has been loaded.